I'm Eddie, and we have squeezed the day.
Every day is a gift, so we're going to get out there and enjoy them.
Today, we're taking you on another adventure.
At this point of our trip, we arrived in Virginia.
Our first night was at the Greenville Family Campground, which was amazing and beautiful and a really good location for a lot of the events happening in Virginia in that area. We highly recommend you check that out for yourselves.
After leaving the Greenville Family Campground, we made our way to the southern part of Virginia. Along the way, we came upon Montpellier, which is the historic home of James Madison. We ended up stopping there, and we were really glad we did. The grounds are beautiful, and we ended up making a video. Make sure you check it out.
The landscape in this area is absolutely amazing, and we enjoyed every minute of our drive. And we hope that you're enjoying every minute of this video as you see how beautiful it is. As you'll soon find out when we finally arrived to Monticello, things did not go as planned. We should have organized our day just a little bit better.
The objective today was to go here, Monticello. Don't really know a whole lot about this one either, but it is pretty historic. Thomas Jefferson was the owner at one point, and well, historically speaking, you know what he did.
Tickets for today. So right now we do have a grounds only ticket. So it would be $20 per adult. That will get you up to the house. The only thing you're not going to be able to do is go through the ground of the house, because that we're sold out of. So if that's okay with you.
What do you think?
We do close at 5, so just to make you aware of that.
I don't really want to pay $20 to have to be done at 5.
We
Only
do.
gives us an hour.
Yeah, let's just skip it. Okay, thank you.
All right,
Thanks.
thanks.
We decided that we were not going to be doing this one today. A couple reasons. One, we got here a little bit too late to actually be able to enjoy the fullness of it that it deserves. What was the other reason?
Well, the other reason is because the price is $20 per person. And since we only had a little over an hour when we got here to see the whole place, we just decided to do it another time. So we're going to put this on the back burner
For now.
for now, and come back another time and check it out. But just wanted to move on to our next destination. So
Yeah. It does look pretty cool, so it is on our destination list. And we'll do it soon, just not today. So you'll see that on an upcoming vlog. Who knows when.
All right.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the short little vlog. We had a lot of fun doing it. We absolutely love traveling around with our trailer. You know, it's a house that's with us at all times, so that's pretty cool. So like, subscribe, and we will see you on the next adventure.
Be well.